Give me 5 minutes and I'll show you how to learn faster than 99% of people. In school, there's something I used to do all the time whenever I had to learn something new. I would find something I wanted to learn, whether it be a new skill like speaking, coding, or kicking a soccer ball, and then I'd watch a video or read a chapter on that specific topic. And then I'd watch another video, and another one, and I'd take notes when I'm watching those videos. Maybe I'd save a few of those tutorials because, later I might need them. And at the end of all of that, I'd feel like, wow, I was very productive today. I'd look at all my notes and be like, wow, I really got a lot done. And then when I actually had to do the thing myself, I sucked. I was terrible at it. Then I'd be like, why is this so hard? What am I doing wrong? I read everything perfectly. I took the time to write it down. So why am I still so bad at this thing that I'm trying to do, trying to learn? And then you know what the worst part was? I'd go back and watch another 5 videos. I'd read another 5 chapters on that specific skill. And then the cycle would continue. I'd come back again and still be equally as bad. Sometimes I just gave up at that point. And so eventually, I had to take a step back and be like, there's something wrong with what I'm doing. And the problem is that everyone is doing this. This is a phenomenon called tutorial hell. When we learn in school, we're taught to take notes on everything as a way of learning. With the internet nowadays and everything being so accessible, we're told to watch a tutorial or take a course when we want to learn a new skill. But this style wasn't working for me. And eventually, I realized something. I wasn't really learning with these books and videos. I was just collecting information. And those are not the same thing. I'd hold up my notes after a 3-hour study session like a prize, like I'd done something. But those notes are meaningless if I don't actually understand them. There's nothing wrong with the video, the textbook, or the course itself. It's the way I was using it that was the issue. So here's the problem. When you watch someone else explain something, it feels like you can understand it because they already know what they're doing. They make it look easy. They skip all the messy, uncomfortable parts. So you sit here thinking like, yeah, that makes sense. But then when you try to do it yourself, everything falls apart. And that's not because you're dumb, that's the actual learning part. That moment where you try to mess up is where your brain finally gets useful information. Because now you're not asking, do I understand this? You're asking, what exactly am I doing wrong? And that question is way more useful. The key here is that you need to try things. You need to apply what you learn because humans learn by doing. Videos, textbooks, and courses are good for getting you the information, but it's up to you to put it into practice and actually use it. Here's what I found. You need to create feedback as fast as possible. Feedback is what tells your brain what went wrong and how to fix it. So what you should be doing is watching or reading a tiny bit, then you try it. Then you find what went wrong and fix it. Then you try again. And that's the loop. You repeat. And I know that sounds almost too simple, but that's the point. Most people don't do this. Most people stay in the watching and reading phase forever. I'll use shooting a free throw in basketball as an example. You can watch 1,000 videos about shooting form. You can learn where your elbow should be. You can learn how your wrist should move. You can understand everything in theory. But until you actually shoot the ball, you have no idea what your shot looks like. Maybe your aim is off. Maybe your timing's weird. Maybe you're using too much force. You only find that out by trying. You don't find it out by watching a video or reading a book. And learning anything works the same way. So to reiterate, the issue isn't watching the videos. Videos are useful. Notes are useful. Lessons are useful. But only if they lead to action. Because the goal is to not feel smart while watching the tutorial. The goal is to get better when the tutorial is gone. So the next time you're trying to learn something, watch or read whatever it is you want to do, then try it and fail. Find the mistake, fix that thing, then do it again. And that's how you learn faster than everyone else.